Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a slip knot, and we're going to chain four. One, two, three, four. Then we're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook into the first chain of the four chains, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And this is your first foundation treble crochet loop. Chain four, yarn over twice, insert hook under these two loops right here, two strands rather, like that. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Chain four, yarn over twice, insert your hook under these two loops, and these are treble crochet foundation loops.